I'm just loving it.
I am absolutely loving it.
Thank you so much for getting me in this training today.
So today we are with Team Supreme Universal, where we are conducting TAOS, Advanced Consultative Selling Operating System, where we will talk about ways by which your customers will trust you more, you'll have more revenue happening in your system, and you will enjoy your profession as a salesperson. How are you guys doing? Brilliant. So my name is Amrutt Bhatt, and I welcome you to this fun, really engaging session. And I really like engaging with sales individuals is because we have something in common. We are all crazy about making money. Sales has changed drastically, especially last 20-25 years. And now considering the way technology has changed, if we don't upskill as we move ahead in time, 2 saal ke baad you will realize ki yaar main kya kar raha hu. A lot of times things don't work in our favor. And we get stuck in this corner, a corner that we create for ourselves, by the way. It's not the world, it's us. So today we will explore ways by which you can come out of that corner. On your marks, get set, go, go, go. All right, all the best. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. A couple of you would have found it a little strange answering those questions. You feel as an individual that, you know what, the person is interested to know about me. Can someone tell me if the interaction is messed? What is that one thing that you mess up in the entire sales system? You will be surprised to see that good 90% of the approach that we have today doesn't work. It is backfiring, even considering that you are putting in a lot of effort. This is just an empty block. But the experience you create makes the brand luxury, by the way. A curious individual is curious because they want to help you, they want to understand so that you get the property that will make you happy. If you have been able to generate respect for your personality, brand बाद में आपके लिए as an individual, वो busy रहेगा तो भी call उठाएगा, बोलेगा 10 मिनट रुक मैं call करता हूँ. So what we are doing now is a real life simulation. While we teach how to be a trusted advisor and an advanced consultative seller, we also try and implement it on the day we learn. What you see right now is a group that's trying to basically act as if it's real to a client. They're interacting in the new fashion that they have been taught. This is fun.
So I think this challenge is making every individual think very realistically. It is helping them train better and also formulate a strategy in a much more structured and a constructive way to probe more information from the customers.
So we'll now play a very interesting game on active listening, and we will test how good we are at active listening. This is fun because it will actually show you how humans listen and how you can be better at listening. I am so confident with some people, they have no cheats at all. Stop keeping chits in your pockets. Again, the ones who have their names, raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good 70%. You as well. You have two names. The beauty of active listening is it is highlighted better when you see the other person not doing it well. While the intention of a follow-up is to actually move, let's be honest, push the client towards a closure. If you tell them any update, उसका life में इतना काम है ना, वो answer बोलेगा no. Amazing participants, and I welcome all of you to the world of trusted advisors. Round of applause, everybody. Good job, good job. It was fun.
It was a great experience doing all the skills from you.
I will definitely implement them and see a very good result. I would like to be in the 2% category and not in the 19% category.
I think Amrutt was on point on what the objectives of the program were intended to be. Most of the training sessions are more of theory and less of how to implement along with the team exercises, right? So that's where it is a little different. And probably that's why it's more participative. The kind of effort that he makes in terms of prep and pre-work is amazing.
I think the entire session was very thoughtfully crafted by Amrutt and a team. Most of the time I have seen there is a huge gap between a trainer and a trainee. So he understood the crowd very well, adapted the scenario situation, and he ensured the 100% participation is there from everyone. Amrutt, you are doing a great job. I think the amount of depth you carry for the subject what you are addressing, it's really commendable, and keep up the good work. All the best. Looking forward to engaging with you on multiple other sessions on a broader level. Thank you so much.
How's it going? Awesome!